What's up everyone? It is Jason Jani. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm giving new DJs tips on how you can get booked in clubs and bars. The first tip I would give anyone is make sure that you are dialed into the location that you want to work at. Understand what the format is, understand what works, understand what doesn't work, and use that knowledge to help you get further. The second tip is about relationships. It's important that you build relationships with the people that are working at this location, whether it be the security, whether it be the bar staff, the bar backs, people that are booking and securing the talent, and the other DJs. Try to build relationships and visit this place because people do business with who they like. The last tip is really simple. Be prepared with the proper marketing collateral to secure your spot. Present them a mix of what you would do when you open up that club, that bar. That will help you get your foot in the door. Once you get your foot in the door and they like how you would open that club with that mix or whatever, then you can present to them how you would play peak hour later on in the night. I hope these tips help you get into a spot that you're looking to play. Be on the lookout for more content dripping right here on this channel for new DJs taking on and growing in this crazy, crazy, crazy fun world.